Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading again. What we're showing you today, this is a 48-inch stainless steel rotary accumulating table. It's operating at 220 single phase voltage with a 180 volt DC motor. Has a variable speed control. Allows you to change the speed to whatever your needs accommodate. Has a large rail around the perimeter. Great if you have tall bottles. We have lots of accumulators, both random and rotary in our stock. The opening you see there was probably the entry point for the containers from a conveyor. So please visit our site at www.champtrading.com. We have everything in process and packaging for the sanitary industries. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.